is the Velvet Locks with another video, and in this video we will be making our summer berry salad. Okay, now this is so simple and so easy, and it can be tweaked to any way you choose. All right, so this is just my version of things that I enjoy eating in my summer salad, and I got the idea of this recipe from Panera. I went to Panera Bread and I had a nice summer berry salad and thought this was like the ultimate. So this is a wonderful healthy meal that you guys can make for on the go. You make it in a bulk and you can take some with you every day for lunch. So let's get to this. Now, what we're going to do first of all, we're going to start off with our spring mix. Now you can choose any kind of lettuce you choose. You can just have romaine lettuce if you want. You can have whatever blend of lettuce you choose. Well, this is my spring blend, and it also includes some baby lettuce, some romaine lettuce, some chard. It has a whole lot of nice things, kale. It has a lot of different multiple things inside of it, and this is what it looks like. Now I put it in this bowl to re-wash it, even though it comes in a pack and it's already washed. No, I always wash my vegetables. So I'm making enough for myself and my daughter for lunch. I'm gonna put it into my nice little fancy bowl here. Now you can top it any which way you choose. I'm going to also use some jerk chicken breasts that I grilled on the grill yesterday. Jerk barbecue actually, because it has a lot of jerk sauce on it, and it also has some barbecue sauce to flavor it. So I love eating chicken salads. So we're gonna just take this out and slice this up. Now I just slightly warmed it up. I like it just to be warm, pretty much room temperature, take the chill off of it. And I tell you, the grilled chicken, oh my gosh, delicious. And you're just gonna sprinkle that throughout your salad. Put as much as you want. There is no specific measuring amount in this recipe. It's to your liking. Just gonna leave them right there. Now next in your salad, you can use anything. I'm gonna use some chia seeds, which I love to eat in my salads. So we're just gonna sprinkle, it's about a teaspoon. Okay, and I've also chopped up 4 regular sized strawberries. So we're just gonna throw those in there. Okay, we're going to put some in, and then we're going to stir it up, toss it up. Okay, and then we're going to put a little bit, we're going to put the rest to the side. Next, we're going to also put in some blackberries. Now, these are wonderful, great, full with antioxidants, awesome part of this salad. So we're going to put some of that in there as well. And then we're gonna toss it up. So each time we put something in it, we're gonna toss it up because we want it to be nicely distributed throughout the salad. Next, we're gonna put in our pineapples. Now, pineapples is definitely an option if you like something nice and sweet and fruity in your salad, in your summer salad. This is the perfect thing to put in there because it gives it a nice little sweet taste. So we're going to add in some pineapples, and you can add in any fruit you choose. I choose pineapples because it gives it a very nice sweet taste. All right, next I have some feta cheese. All right, this is the brand that I bought, and I bought the chunk by accident, so I had to pretty much mince the feta. So we're just going to sprinkle that in there. And also again, we're going to toss it up. tell you, this is one healthy, delicious salad you will definitely enjoy. This is wonderful to also make for like a barbecue, a nice little summer event that you're having, and you want to impress your friends with something different. This is definitely for you. Okay, so now we finished putting in all of the ingredients as far as mixing it up into our salad. Lastly, now we're going to start garnishing the top of our salad. So I'm going to go back in with the feta. Okay, and this is for the topping. And I love me some feta cheese. Oh boy. All right, and then it's just going to throw in whatever you have left as far as your fruits. You can also add some seeds in here. If you want some sunflower seeds, you can add those in there as well. You can add in some almonds. You can add in some pecans. Whatever you choose to put into your salad, all up to you. And wow, look at that. Lastly, now we put in all of our fruits. Now we're just going to put in the rest of our chicken chunks. And there you have it. Your summer berry salad. Okay? And this is what it looks like. Beautiful, delicious, full of antioxidants, full of protein, full of vitamins and minerals, full of everything. Fiber, okay? You have your fruits in there, you have your chicken, you have your vegetables, your salads, your spinach, your kale, your ramen salad, lettuce. You have it all. All right, your cheese, wonderful. All right, so thank you so much for joining me on this DIY video. I hope you all try this summer berry salad. And like I said, you can pretty much tweak this salad to your own liking. And I hope you enjoy it. And again, as always, I will see you in the next video. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.